Now it's time to turn this thing in. So a few things we're going to take care of. First of all, number one is we're going to take a screenshot. We're going to go to home view here, zoom in as much as possible, and you're going to take a screenshot with all your tool paths completed here. Then you're going to go to front view, and I'm going to look straight on. So this is the height of all my tool paths here. I'm going to turn off bodies, and I want to see all my tool paths there as well. So I'm going to take a screenshot of that so I can see all those tool paths completed. I can turn back on bodies. I'm going to flip over to design, go to home, and I'm going to take a screenshot of my design done as well. So there's 3 screenshots, one of your design, one of your tool paths, and one of your tool paths from the front view with the bodies. You're going to turn that in to your Schoology assignment. All 3 pictures into the one Schoology assignment. That will do 2 things. 1, trigger me to grade it, and number 2, trigger me to cut it out. If you don't want it cut out, or if you want it cut out, make sure to shoot me an email as well so that I know to cut yours out. I don't want to cut out extra projects that won't get picked up. So if you don't plan on picking it up, that's fine. You don't have to. Don't worry about getting it cut out, but I'm happy to cut it out and make this awesome project for you. Nice work. This was a difficult project, so nice work pushing through it.